Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's complete walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to scale your Shopify store fast in 2026. The exact steps to go from a few sales to consistent scalable revenue. This is beginner friendly, but powerful enough to actually grow your store. Step 1, validate your product first. Don't skip this step. Before scaling, make sure your product is already working. You should have consistent sales, at least 2 to 3 profitable days. Positive customer feedback also. If you're not profitable yet, scaling will just lose money. Right? Step 2, optimize your product page. Your product page basically must convert. On your Shopify store, fix clear headline, high quality images or video, strong basically product description, customer reviews, fast loading speed. So aim for 2% to 5% conversion rate minimum. Step 3, create high converting creatives, right? Ads are everything, okay? So make sure that you focus on short videos, UGC style, problem, solution format, before and after results, testimonials. One winning creative can scale your store. Step 4, start with paid ads. Main growth engine. Use platforms like TikTok or Facebook Ads Manager and start with 3 to 5 ad creatives and small daily budget. Okay? Test first, then scale winners. Excuse me. Step 5, kill losing ads fast. After testing, turn off ads with no sales and keep the winners. Don't waste budget on bad creatives. Step 6, scale winning ads. Once you find winner, method 1, increase budget. Increase slowly, like 20% to 30% daily. Method 2, duplicate campaign, right? Duplicate winning ads, target new audiences. Scale gradually, not aggressively. Step 7, use retargeting ads. Most people don't buy immediately. Set up retargeting in Facebook Ads Manager. Show ads to visitors, offer discounts, remind them to buy. This increases conversions massively. And step 8, add upsells and bundles. Increase your average order or AOV, right? Average order value. Buy one, get one, bundles, add-ons. More revenue per customer means faster scaling. Step 9, improve customer experience. Scaling requires trust. Fix shipping times, product quality, customer support. Bad experience means refunds and chargebacks. Step 10, build email and SMS list. Don't rely solely on ads. Collect emails, phone numbers, and use them for promotions, abandoned cart recovery. This gives you free repeat sales. Step 11, automate your store. Use tools inside Shopify like order automation, email flows. Basically, you can find it here on the left side panel, right? Order automation, email flows, inventory, tracking, right? Saves time and scales faster. Step 12, work with influencers. Collaborate with creators on TikTok or Instagram, basically. Send free product samples or pay for promotion. This can go viral and bring instant traffic. Right? Step 13, expand to new market. Once stable, target different countries, translate your store, adjust pricing. More markets means more sales. Step 14, track your numbers. Always monitor conversion rates, cost per purchase, profit margins. Scaling without tracking means guessing. Right? Step 15, reinforce what works. Double down on winning products, winning creatives, winning audiences. Don't overcomplicate. So, to rewind the real scaling strategy, simple version, find a winning product, run ads, find winning creative, increase budget, add retargeting, increase AOV, expand, and repeat this loop. Alright? So, avoid scaling too early, increasing budget too fast, ignoring product page, no retargeting, poor creatives. right? So pro tip, focus on short form video ads, Use UGC or real people content. Test multiple creatives weekly. Build brand, not just drop shipping, and keep it simple, right? And that's basically scaling a Shopify store in 2026 is all about data, creatives, and consistency. There's no magic trick, just a system that works when you follow it correctly. Focus on winner product, strong creatives, smart ad scaling, good customer experience. That's how you turn a small store into a serious online business. So, I hope this. Sorry for that. Yeah. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Share this video with a friend, they might need it. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.